Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to sign in Play Store and fix Play Store sign in problem in your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to do so, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to sign in Play Store and fix Play Store sign in issue in your device Oppo A57e.